So we are at Olivier Park in Brownsville, Texas, and we were told that flocks of parrots come in here every night at sunset, and you should be here on a nice clear night to see them. So we're gonna hope that they come in, because one of the gentlemen here said most of the times they do, but sometimes they don't. So
our luck, they won't come. But we're here to see. The sun's starting to go down, so.
Right, they said they come in about 20 minutes before sunset or so, or right around sunset. So we will see if we get any on video or not. I don't know how many show up here, but darker it gets, the more they come. You definitely see near the parrots out here. There you can see their colors, the reds, the red crown parrot. I don't think I want to live in this house. That noise is driving nuts. So we definitely found where all the parrots roost. It's not so much in the park, but on the edge of the park over here on the
one of the side streets.
Yeah, just off El Paso.
Trees, they're loaded in the trees. You can see them better over here on the power lines than you could over in the park.
Right.
Pretty cool.
It is cool. But so there's the Parrots of Brownsville. Remember, if you like our channel, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit the little bell for notifications for our next videos coming out.
And if you don't, still give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe. We need subscribers bad.
It's free. Don't cost you anything.
Right. We hope to see you on the road.